What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to fix a low volume on your mic. If your mic sounds quiet, I've been having this problem and I was trying to search it up to fix it, but nothing really popped up. They always said to change settings on my computer, but somehow magically I then put in a splitter and it works. So this is a splitter. You connect your mic to, and then this is for the microphone, and this is for audio to hear, and it worked. It's that simple. I'm gonna leave the link to this splitter below. As you see here, you connect that, and I'll show you the difference. Just I'm gonna disconnect it right now. Hello, hello. Alright, so this is me talking without the splitter. And as you could tell, it's way lower. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back. Alright guys, so like I said, I'm gonna leave this splitter from Amazon in the description below. It's only $9. It's gonna help with the volume of your mic. Thanks for watching.